Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have just come back from Lithuania after having cosmetic surgery. I've just had a tummy tuck. I am 13 days post-op. I wasn't in a mood to film an unboxing, but I thought, you know what, it might do me some good to put a bit of makeup on, freshen up a bit, and so here I am. Nothing is set up, so hopefully the unboxing goes okay. So I've got Glossybox, and it is the August, a beauty box. It has a value of £140.98 this month. Contains 5 beauty treats. Subscriptions are £13.50 a month. You can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I have a refer a friend code, which will get you £5 off this box, bringing it down to £8.50. If they have any other offers, then I will let you know as well. I'll put the link and the codes all down below in my descriptions. And down there, you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look. But yeah, a little sneak peek. I can see what the most expensive item is. So let's start off with that then. And we got Avant, and this is Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturiser, and there's 50 mils there. I have tried this one before, but I can't remember exactly what it's like. Hyaluronic, sweet almond, seawater and shea butter. Try a little bit on my hand. My skin has gone extremely dry since surgery. I'm doing all right, by the way, if you're wondering. I'm huge, actually. Shall I show you? Don't judge, okay? I'm just 2 weeks post-surgery. Don't expect an hourglass goddess. Ta-da! I had a 360 tummy tuck. 3.125 litres of liposuction here and there. Look at the size. It's huge, isn't it? Oh, I'm very swollen, by the way. And it is quite hard finding a comfortable position to sit and lay. But anyway, back to the unboxing. This feels gorgeous. It feels really, really nice. I know Avant is super pricey. I wouldn't go out and spend £99 on a moisturiser by them. That's not to say the products aren't very good. Some are, some aren't, but this one feels so nice on my skin. It's lovely. So yeah, you can use that day or night. So there's that. Then we've got a spray by Dr.PAWPAW. I didn't know that they did these. This is Dr.PAWPAW Tropical Haze Body and Hair Mist. And there's 50 mils here. So I'm guessing there could be a few different ones, maybe. Let's have a sniff. Oh, it smells nice. It smells nice. I've just seen a card. See, I'm not with it at all, am I? I keep forgetting things. We've got a card here. QR code. You're able to scan it to find out more information about the products. The theme is Sunset Serenity. So think nighttime, chilling on the beach, cocktails, and things like that. Yeah, this is a really nice smell. What is in it? So it's for body and hair. Okay. It is a really nice smell. It's not overly coconutty or pineapple-y. You can smell them, but they're not too much, you know. I don't think we get different ones, but if we do, I will pop it up on the screen to let you know. Nice and summery and fruity. Then we have got a brow gel by Luxe. And I've had this before, I think, in beauty boxes, maybe a Glossybox. I can't remember now. Yeah, look at that. It's tiny, isn't it? Tiny little wand, but really great for pushing up your eyebrows. But I like my brow gels to be quite hard setting. Crispy. Only because they just stay in place better. I haven't got hardly any eyebrows, but yeah, it's tacky, but I don't know if it's strong enough for me. I think it feels all right, actually. You're not going to see anything with my brows because they're mostly microbladed, but yeah, I think it's got quite a good hold, maybe. Not as strong as my normal preference, but it does give a bit of a hold. Right, we've got a sheet mask. and this is by Beauty Pro, and this is Bakuchiol Natural Retinol Alternative with Bakuchiol, pomegranate and neroli oil. So a nice little sheet mask there. All the instructions are on the back. You leave it on for 15 minutes and massage all the remaining essence into your skin. And then lastly, we've got Byoma. I love Byoma. It's a gorgeous Korean brand. And something I've never tried before. This is Lip Tide Lip Oil. Barrier lipids, peptides and avocado oil. It's 5 mils. A lightweight lip oil with our ceramide peptide rich lip tide complex and hydrating avocado and tamanu oils. Oh, I'm hot. I don't know if that's because I shouldn't be doing this or it's just because it's hot. I had aircon all the time when I was in the apartments in Lithuania. I haven't got aircon here, so maybe I'm struggling. But look how cute that is. The packaging is so cute, isn't it? It's gorgeous. There. See? I've got a lip stain on, so it shouldn't go on the tip, but I'll try it. No. See? It's a good one. I love a lip oil. This is a really, really nice one. Oh. Does it smell? Oh, it does. I think it smells. I think it smells of sweets, like very subtle. Oh, I don't know. But it's subtle anyway. No, I really, really, really like that. Yeah, chuffed to have that. And there you go. Those are all the items in the August Glossybox. So to recap, we have got a £99 moisturiser by Avant. We've got a Tropical Haze Hair and Body Mist by Dr.PAWPAW. We've got a brow gel by St. Luxe. We've got a Bakuchiol sheet mask by Beauty Pro. And lastly, a lip oil by Byoma. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you going to get it? Are you subscribed? Are you looking forward to receiving it? Or are you thinking, do you know what? Nah, it's not for me this month. I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.